Welcome to the Primary Genius. Let's learn farm animals, birds and insects name in English. Our first animal is sheep. This is sheep. Say with me, sheep. Next animal is horse. This is horse. Say it loudly, horse. Then we have donkey. This is donkey. Repeat after me, donkey. Next animal is buffalo. This is buffalo. Say with me, buffalo. Moving on to cow. This is cow. Say it loudly, cow. Then comes ox. This is ox. Repeat after me, ox. Next animal is pig. This is pig. Say with me, pig. Moving on to rabbit. This is rabbit. Say it loudly, rabbit. Then we have goat. This is goat. Repeat after me, goat. Then comes duck. This is duck. Say with me, duck. Here we have hen. This is hen. Say it loudly, hen. Then we have ostrich. This is ostrich. Say with me, ostrich. Then comes geese. Those are geese. Repeat after me, geese. At last, we have honeybee. This is honeybee. Say with me loudly, honeybee. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.